Hi everyone. Recent times everyone is discussing about does AI can replace the developers. If you are a developer, you have probably seen the tools like GitHub Copilot and ChatGPT which can write the code instantly. So the big question here is, will AI actually replace the developers, or is there a smarter way to stay safer career? Let's find out. AI does not replace all the developers. Instead, it helps to replace the repetitive tasks. This statement says that AI cannot replace all the developer jobs, meaning some developer jobs are at risk with AI. So, what are all the jobs are at risk? So, the developers who are focused only routine activities like writing standard code operations or fixing small bugs or doing the same task again and again. So, so how to keep the safe career? Remember that AI cannot replace the creativity, problem solving, and the ability to design a scalable and secure system. Think of AI is your co-pilot, not the captain. So you are the captain to decide to accept the AI code suggestions or not. If you are a .NET developer, here the roadmap to keep your career safer. Master in modern .NET and learn the cloud native services like Azure Functions, App Services, and Kubernetes etc. And learn the AI integration services like Azure OpenAI, ML.NET, and cognitive services. And also you can focus on DevOps skills like GitHub Actions, Azure DevOps, and infrastructure as a code like Terraform or Bicep. Along with these, you can focus on architecture and system design and be a domain expertise in domains like fintech, health, and e-commerce. So start to use AI as your coding partner, upgrade your cloud and architecture skills, and you can maintain a safer career growth. Thank you.